Okay, so this is a vlogging test to see how the 360 One R compares against the GoPro. We've got the 360 One R 1" there and the GoPro there. I've not actually flipped the viewfinder around this time. I'm just freeballing it and eyeballing it to see how it goes. The test yesterday seemed to suggest that whilst the audio was quite good on the 360 One R, actually the picture quality was complete garbage and utterly unusable. The shaking in the background and the distortion just from doing that was just utter garbage. There's no other way for describing it. So that was shooting with the 5.2K setting that the Insta360 One R is capable of. Now I'm trying it just at 4K at 60 FPS and the same on the GoPro. So they're both shooting at 4K 60 FPS. This is with the arm fully stretched out. Yesterday I did the vlogging test indoors to see what the audio quality was like. I was impressed by the One R's audio quality, but let's do it at the sort of distance I was doing yesterday indoors. But we'll do it, as I say, we're doing it outdoors now just to see how it compares. So hopefully I've waffled enough because I'm not really a vlogger, and we'll see how good or bad the One R is compared to the GoPro. From what I saw yesterday, the GoPro's light years ahead, even though it's nearly half the price. I'm just doing this test again between these two cameras, just to see. You have to excuse me while I'm on the phone, just trying to get through to the bank to sort out somebody fortunately using my credit card. Anyway, so just doing another test to compare the image quality of the two cameras. The Insta360 One R is currently set to record at 5.3K at 30 FPS, whilst the GoPro is at 4K 30 FPS. So the frame rates are identical, but obviously the resolution is different because the Insta360 can do a higher resolution. I just thought I'd see if the problem with the picture quality is actually down to the 360 shooting at 5.3K. So we'll just see. So this is, as I did earlier, the sort of test of holding the cameras at a sort of sensible distance away rather than... So that's right with the arm fully stretched out. You'll notice that the clip that I did indoors yesterday, the quality was pretty horrendous on the Insta360. So this is the outdoor test. I'm just going to go indoors just to see if it's the low light that's causing the problem. I mean, it's not particularly what I would call really low light because we've got nice big doors there showing us everything. But there's the comparison for indoors, just to see if it makes any difference, whether it deems this to be low light. I mean, I could turn the normal lights on. But anyway, let's have a look at and see how these two compare. We've tried outdoors and we've tried indoors, and we'll see what happens.